Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bull Crochet. In this video we're going to see how to crochet this beautiful floral bookmarks. This is yet another scrap yarn project or another quick 10-minute project that you can make, or you can crochet plenty of them as a gift, and they look super cute. And they make a cute bookmarks as well, and you can make them in plenty of different colors. And if you want a free written pattern of this bookmarks, it's available in my website, theyarnbullcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bull and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So once again, for this project I am going to use my favorite yarn, Premier Yarns Mannequins. These are buttery soft cotton blend yarns, and they are like fine weight yarn, size 2. And they are so simple and easy to work with, and recently I've fallen addicted to this yarn. And if you're interested to purchase this yarn, you can find the link below in the description to purchase them from my affiliate link. And I'm going to use 2.5 millimeter crochet hook for working this bookmark. So with the yellow color yarn, I'm going to work a magic ring, and then I'll work 10 single crochets around the magic ring. And once you're done working, say 10 single crochets, you're going to tighten the magic ring, and then you're going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 1. I'm going to once I have worked 10 single crochets, I'm tightening the magic ring, and I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet. After that, I'm going to tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. After we are done with this, we are going to change the yarn color to any color you want to work the petals. I'm using a hot pink here. Now for round 2, I'm going to work a chain 3 with the hot pink yarn. I'm going to work 3 triple crochets on the next stitch. That's my first triple crochet that I am working. I'm going to work 2 more triple crochet on the same stitch. After I have worked 3 triple crochets, I'm going to work a chain 3 again, and I will work 1 single crochet on the next stitch. Work a chain 3 and then work 3 triple crochet on the next stitch. Now I'm going to work chain 3 and then work a single crochet on the next stitch. We're going to repeat this pattern around, so you'll end up having 5 petals for your flower. Continue following this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. Now I have worked my fifth petal, and then I'm working my last chain 3, and then I'll go ahead work a single crochet on the stitch from where I have started my starting chain 3, and then you'll fasten off, weave your ends. You'll snip off all the odd bits of yarn. Now let's go ahead work the stem and the leaf. So this is worked as a single piece, and then we're gonna attach it to the back of our flower. I'm using a dark bottle green color yarn for this. I'm gonna go ahead work a slip knot, and then I'll work 10 chains. After you're done working 10 chains, I'm going to go ahead work 3 single crochet on the second chain from the hook. 3 single crochet all worked on the same chain, which is the second chain from the hook. After that, I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on the third stitch, which is the third chain, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on the next 2 chains, and then I'm going to work 1 triple crochet on the next chain, which is the 6th chain, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on the next 2 chains, which is 7th and 8th chains, and then I'll work 1 half double crochet on the 9th chain. That's 1 half double crochet worked on the 9th chain, and then I'll work 3 single crochet on the last chain. Working 3 single crochets is gonna change your work, and then I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on the opposite side, and then I'll work 1 double crochet on each on next 2 stitches on the opposite side. Work along with the rope where we have started our slip knot with, and then I'll work 1 triple crochet on the next stitch, and then once again I'm going to go ahead work 1 double crochet each on next 2 stitches, that's my first double crochet, and then I'm going to go ahead work 1 more double crochet on the next stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 half double crochet on the next stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead work 1 slip stitch each on next 2 stitches, which is our starting single crochet stitches. After that I'm going to work 50 chains. This is our leaf. I'm going to work 50 chains. After I have worked my 50 chains, I'm going to work a slip knot, and then we can attach it to the back of the flower somewhere in the middle, and then you can weave the ends and snip off all the odd bits of the yarn. That's it, our bookmark is done. If you prefer to stiffen this up, you can do so, or this yarn is perfect as it is, so it is not required. I'm just weaving it a couple of more times and then I'll snip the yarn off. You can snip off the odd bit on the leaf as well. That's it, our cute little bookmark is ready. I couldn't stop making one, so I just went ahead, made plenty of them in different colors. All of them look very pretty. I'm planning to do this for the school gifts, and try this and let me know your comments. And these are the plenty of different colors I made these bookmarks. So if you want a free written pattern of this bookmark, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. And if you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well to get immediate updates on the projects that I'm working on. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.